In this tutorial, we'll learn how to recompute properties for stormwater elements. This command is available for stormwater pipes, routing reaches, roadway segments, and roadway crossings. For this example, we will work with pipes. Go to the Input ribbon menu. In the Stormwater Pipes drop-down, select Recompute Pipe Properties. The Recompute Pipe Properties dialog box will appear. Here, you'll see a list of all pipes, along with details such as pipe length, slope, maximum pipe cover, minimum pipe cover. You can select one or multiple pipes manually by checking the boxes, or use the Pick button for manual selection on the map view. Under Pipe Properties, choose the terrain elevation source. Select which parameters you want to recompute: pipe length, pipe slope, maximum pipe cover, minimum pipe cover. Once selections are made, click Compute. The software will update the selected properties using the chosen terrain elevation source. The recomputed values will be displayed in the table.